Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jamie Swan and this is my channel based on everything beauty with a little splash of lifestyle. So today I have a really fun video for you guys. It is my top beauty hacks for busy moms. I had to practice that because that is a mouthful. So yeah, I'm really excited to share these top hacks with you guys and I hope you guys enjoy. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, so my first beauty hack is I do not wash my hair every day. I highly suggest not washing your hair every day. I usually tend to go about 5 days, but the first day, if you can, do a wash and wear. If not, then I'll blow dry it and wear it straight because my hair is typically pretty straight. I just have to bend over some of the ends with my flat iron and just kind of straighten it out a little bit better that the blow dryer didn't get. And then I will take this AG Dry Lift Texture Paste, rub it into the root area so that my hair isn't so soft, and it will hold a back comb a little bit better. And then I just back comb it, and this is my hairstyle for day number 1 of washing my hair. And then for day number 2, I will usually toss in some messy curls. And for this, I just take a back comb. I have another video on this if you guys want to watch. I will link it in the description box below. And then just back comb again, hairspray, and that's it pretty much, yeah, for day number 2 of not washing my hair. And then for day 3, I usually wake up looking similar to this. So on day 3, I embrace messy curl hair day, and I'll just like fix up a couple of the curls that are maybe a little bit too crazy, and yeah, that's day 3. So then by day 4, it is a dry shampoo day. So it's starting to get a little bit greasy, so I opt for a half up updo, and I'll usually do my half top knot. Yeah, so just wrap it around the ponytail, and then I pin the stray ends in with a bobby pin, and then you can just take and mess up the front a little bit. I pull out some of the front hairs and mess up the fringe, and then if you need to, you can toss a few more curls in the back, and then dry shampoo and hairspray. And then come day 5, this is where most people would probably opt to wash their hair, but sometimes a mama just needs more time in her schedule. So if you don't have time to shampoo and blow dry your hair, you could opt for this really super cute French braid in the fringe. So this just helps tuck away those like front hairs because they usually tend to get the oiliest. And then I just pull apart the braid, pin it in the back, and refluff my messy curls that I had going on. And if the messy curls aren't cooperating, you could opt for a super cute updo with this style too. Okay, so once we have the hair situation taken care of, my next hack for busy moms is good skincare, but it doesn't have to be difficult skincare. So what you need, every staple is a cleanser for your skin type, whether you're oily, dry, normal. And then did you know that once you reach 30, the hormones that create the firmness and elasticity in our skin start to deplete? I know, it's so sad. So what I recommend is getting a moisturizer that's gonna give you firmness and anti-aging properties to your skin. And so what I use is the Sotox by Lime Life by Alcone, and so it just gives me all the anti-aging goodness in my basic moisturizer. And then if you guys are anything like me, which probably lots of you are, you don't have time, you're too tired to do the full routine before you go to bed, but you still need to cleanse your face or you're gonna end up with breakouts, then I highly suggest investing in some good quality makeup wipes that don't contain alcohol ideally. I use the Lime Life by Alcone, the Make-Offs. They're called makeup remover cloths for your face. So you just pull one of these bad boys out, wash off all your makeup, throw it in the garbage, and you're good to go. No stained face cloths. These things are just the best. They are like, they're my saving grace. And because busy mamas are usually lacking a little bit in the sleep department, my next beauty tip is to invest in a under eye highlighter. So all that is a concealer that is lighter than your skin tone. So what I use is, this is my Lime Life palette. This is my highlighter color. You can see that's my skin tone shade. This is a couple shades lighter. And so all you have to do is pick up a little bit of that under eye concealer. And just in a triangle down the side of your nose and under your eye, and that is going to brighten up your under eye area and make you just look so much more awake and refreshed. And my next beauty hack is the ultimate 5-minute face collection. So what's in this? A lip gloss, a nude lip gloss, a brow gel, a lash curler, optional, but if you have straight lashes, you're gonna really love this tip. It just really makes you look like you almost have lash extensions. It's so good. And then a good mascara. So with a brow gel, this is a tinted brow gel, so it's just gonna take my little blonde baby hairs that are, they're non-existent. I don't have eyebrows. And so all you do and voila, just like that, you have eyebrows in like 2 seconds. And yeah, if you're like me, you need some brows on or else people just don't even know your name. Seriously. Then, quick lash curl. So what you want to do is just aim it back, give it a couple pumps, and this is going to give you a really awesome curl. And then toss on your mascara. And your lip gloss. Voila, you look and feel like a human again, and it only took us probably less than 5 minutes, for real. I will also link all these products that I use in the description box below so you guys can check them all out. So for my next busy mom beauty hack, I suggest investing in quality makeup that is multifunctional, and I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay, so this is my eyeshadow palette. But what it has in it, it has my brow powder for when I have a little bit more time to do like a full Instagram brow. I have my black eyeshadow that works as a eyeliner with a liner brush. So just a brush like this, and then boom, you have eyeliner. You can even mix it with some water and you have a liquid eyeliner. And then I have over here, this is a nice daytime shadow that works really nice because it's soft and subtle, but it also works as a blush color. And then I have this really nice pinky shimmery shade that works really good as a shadow color on my eyelid, but it also doubles up as a highlighter if I wanted to be a little bit more glam. And then these two colors are just really nice to give this whole, if you wanted just like a kind of more of a going out kind of look, you could use these colors to kind of smoke it out and deepen it up with these two colors. So just 6 eyeshadows, and I have a blush, a highlighter, 2 eyeshadow looks, eyeliner, winged eyeliner. You guys get the point. This is an amazing palette. So my next beauty tip is to invest in a bold lip color. What a bold lip color with this very basic and super quick mascara look is gonna do is just gonna make it look like you've spent a lot of time on your makeup when really you just tossed on what would have taken the same amount of time to put on a lip gloss, but you're putting on a bold color. So it takes no additional time, but you look like you've put a lot of time into your look. So here is our exact same 5-minute face that we did, only I opted for a dark lip color rather than a nude lip gloss. You have 2 totally different daytime looks. And then if you are going out on a date night, you have your multifunctional palette for your blushes, eyeshadows, eyeliner, everything like that right here. Okay, you guys, so we're in my room right now because my next beauty tip is to declutter and organize your closet. And this was a lifesaver for me when I did this because I went from trying on multiple outfits in the morning and running late for things because I didn't know what to wear, because I didn't know what fit me, just that regular struggle. So declutter and organize your closet and keep Only the things that you would take if you were going on like a 7 to 10 day holiday. That was my rule of thumb. If there's something that I don't wear or I like normally don't gravitate to, I put that away or I sell it. So I'll show you guys what I mean here. So here is my closet. This is my husband's side of the closet. This is mine. So right here I have any kind of like throwovers, any kind of cardigans that I can put over top of a shirt, or little jackets or blazers. And then I have all of my tops that I regularly wear hanging up there. And then I have my pants. Down here, I just have a few pairs, and I recently went through my closet because now I have only things in here that I can fit into maternity-wise. And then down here in the corner, I have a bin that I have full of clothes that I took down of things that don't fit me because I'm pregnant right now. And as I go through those and bring them out, I will add them back into my closet, take out the maternity things, and anything that's left in there, I will donate or sell or get rid of. And so with that, my next tip is to only keep comfortable, stylish staples in your closet with like a few like minimal things that you would wear to special occasions like weddings and stuff like that, because you don't need a lot of those things. But what I mean is like, don't keep a lot of things that you think are super cute and trendy, but every time you go to put them on, you're like, oh, it's just not comfortable. Get rid of it, because you're not gonna wear it. You don't love that. It's not something you would take on a 7-day holiday, so just get rid of it. So I'm gonna show you guys a couple of ideas of what I mean by keeping trendy and comfortable items in your closet that you can kind of mix and match to make multiple outfits. And then I'm going to show you guys the next beauty tip. Okay, so this first outfit is just a very basic alternative to like a baggy t-shirt and baggy sweatpants that looks a little bit frumpy, and it's just not gonna make you feel good when you're wearing it. So this is a really comfortable jersey knit top. And then I have my Lulu pants on, so good alternative to sweatpants. And then, so I can wear this around my house and I'm super comfortable. When I need to step out, I can toss on, for example, I could toss on this cute little leather jacket. And for shoes, I could put on my little fur slides, and then I'm still comfortable. Or an alternative to an edgy look like that is you could also take like an oversized ripped denim jacket, which is also very trendy right now. And you could wear this with either the same fur slides or these that I can toss on that are also very comfortable and practical, but also super trendy. So then I can also take and toss on a couple different cardigans to make this look a little bit different. So first of all, and this is one of my most popular go-tos in my closet. So just a nice, comfortable gray cardigan, and the same thing, I could wear either one of those pairs of shoes with it. For a pop of color, I could put on this mustard colored cardigan, and then same outfit, but you have a totally different look just by switching up what you wear over top. And lastly, this is another one of my staple throwover cardigans. Nice light, it has the dark stripe on it, and I can wear either pair of shoes, but then you just have this like longer cardigan option, which is really nice to have. So yeah, that is how I can switch one of my sort of comfortable, trendy outfits up. And then I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more of a dressy option, but also super comfortable. Okay, so here is a cotton dress. Anyways, it fits snug. It's super cute and very, very, very comfortable. I can wear this with either my fur slides or go for a more sporty look, and I can toss on my Nikes with this too, or any kind of dressier shoes if I wanted to wear this dress up. I can also toss on any one of these cardigans, leather jacket, jean jacket to put over top, or I can take any one of my crop tops or t-shirts in my closet, and you can toss this over top, tie a little knot in the front, and now this dress looks like you're wearing kind of like a pencil skirt type deal. Super cute. You could switch this up for a fancier dress if you need something that you need to be a little bit more dressy for. And then that brings me to my last beauty tip, which is accessorize. So buy a few fun, funky pieces of jewelry. I'm gonna take this off right now. So earrings right now, like really big, fun, bright colored earrings are really trendy, and since this dress is black, it goes with everything. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of examples of what I mean. Okay, so here are some super cute, I love these earrings. So they just kind of dress this look up a little bit, but you could still wear it with the fur sides and kind of go casual, dressy. Sorry, I'm kind of out of the picture here. Or I have these ones here just for a little pop of color. I'll show you guys these ones. So then these are just a little bit more dainty. They give you that pop of color with the blue, and they're just super fun. I really, really, really like these earrings too. So I get a lot of compliments on both of these when I wear them. So the thing I like about these two is that you can wear them with a super casual like V-neck t-shirt and jeans and toss these on, and they still look really good. They don't look too dressy to wear with like a casual practical outfit. And then I'm going to show you guys one of the pieces that I have that I was so excited to get because I've been in search of something like this. It's a very bold necklace piece, but it can take and transform any outfit. So I'll be right back to show you guys. Okay, so here is this piece. I love this necklace so much because it's kind of like boho chic, so I can wear it dressed up and kind of look boho princessy. I can toss on, and I also recommend everyone have, this is a nice blazer. It's so comfortable. It's made with stretchy fabric, so it's not restricting, but it just makes you look polished for anything that you need to go to, like sort of a more formal outing for. Now I have my outfit. But the thing that's really awesome about this necklace is that I can wear it with like a gray V-neck tee and some ripped jeans and kind of dress it down, and then it just gives that whole look a whole new like boho feel to it too. So yeah, really love this jewelry. All of these ones that I showed you here are from Teeny and Frey, so you can check them out on Instagram. I will link them down in the description box below, and I also have a discount code for you guys down there if you wanted to check out any of the pieces. So yeah, make sure you guys check that out after this video is done. So that's how many options you have with just having a couple staple pieces of jewelry and a couple staple pieces of comfortable, trendy clothes in your closet. I really personally believe that it is so good to take time for yourself. Self-care is not selfish. When I start feeling down in the dumps, just a couple of these little tips really help pick me up, energize me, and get me in a whole new mind frame. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys have any suggestions for videos that you'd like to see from me in the future, please post down in the comments below. Make sure to check back and also click that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any new videos. Really, every Monday I post new videos, and I have a couple bonus videos planned for you guys. So yeah, see you guys in the next one.